All right, cabin filter replacement on a Volkswagen Atlas. Up here in the glove box, you have two tabs. One right here, push it all the way up, and one up here, push it all the way up. At which point, the glove box will just fold down. And then right here, you have 1, 2, 3 tabs to get this plate off. So we're just going to loosen that one, loosen this one. I'm going to put the phone down for a second because I need two hands, really, I think. Yeah, I'm going to pause it. Give me 2 seconds. Okay, 2 seconds later, your cabin filter is right here. Note that the arrow is showing that the air is coming from out and in. So you want the arrow to be pointing down. That's good to note when you put the new filter in. But here you go. You've got dirty cabin filter loaded with all kinds of pollen and whatnot. Yucky. So we have a new filter. I will put a link in the description to the new filter. This one is a MAN. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to look for the airflow symbol. You see that it's coming down. We're going to take this as a charcoal activated filter. We're going to slide this in. Right back in there. Going to grab kind of tricky doing this with one hand, but push that back in. And then you're going to take your glove box and you just want to line that part back up and close it. And just like that, you have a new cabin filter. The part will be linked in the description. Hope this is helpful.